Hey everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on a Harbor Breeze Sage Cove Ceiling Fan. So I just purchased this one and I thought I made a video on about it as well too. Hey, do subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Folks, today I thought I'd share my new ceiling fan. Item number 0747608. It's a nice ceiling fan. It's a smaller one. So, and also, of course, you can mount it lower if your ceiling is higher. But, it's a lot of options you can use. You can use it for a bedroom or smart room, depending on your needs. This one is a 44-inch one in particular. So it's quite easy to install, but it does take some time. So keep that in mind. I'm not going to cover the installation of this fan because that could be the very long video overall. And I'm sure the direction is different from fan to fan. So probably what you're interested in is to look how this fan looks like after the installation. And this one comes with 2 light bulbs, by the way, too. So it's about $12 to run this fan annually, and that's based on the energy guide calculations. And how much airflow as well too. So Harbor Breeze Sage Cove oil rub bronze finish ceiling fan. Limited lifetime warranty. I never claimed the warranty, but we had some that do have some clicking noise before we usually swap it out when that happens. 3 mounting options, reversible blades. You get to pick 2 different colors. You can see the cocoa and toffee. I'm going to pick the toffee. You got a 4-inch down rod. Of course, you can buy different ones with a higher ceiling. Reversible motor, 3-speed, and a light kit. So definitely we're going to make use of the light kit. We're not going to just have the fan. So it's great of them to include that. And one thing I like about Harbor Breeze is the installation is not as bad as some other ones out there. And definitely the wires are long enough. So definitely know your space on the installation, down rod installation, and this one works for the summer and winter as well too. So this reversible motor, 3-speed, works great for weather, energy savings, cool winter energy saving as well too. So you actually got just the different settings. There's like a switch that you turn on the side. So simple to do. Wouldn't be too cumbersome to switch between the 2. Let me see around the box so you have an idea what the fan is. So there's an optional light cap included. So this is the toffee color. Some people actually like this color. So the mixture of different color looks good. And there's a darker color, the coca. Let me see. Coca is the white color, I guess, right? Coca blaze. I think that's so beautiful. It makes the room light up. Hunter. So I'm going to run the video at full speed on these over here, the fan, and you can see how beautiful the fan is overall. So notice if I get too close, the light looks yellow, but if you reality, it actually is very white as well too. So this is the lower speed, and it's a pull chain. So you got 2 pull chains as well, just like the other ones. One of them is just the bulb, and one of them it changes the speed of the fan. You can see that the outer one, the longer one, is the bulb, and this is the fan speed. So you could change the speed, adjust the speed, and also you can actually, there's a setting actually if you pull it, then the fan doesn't spin as well. You can just use it as a light as well too. So this one is not ceiling mount. You notice that it goes a little bit lower. It's not stuck on the ceiling like some of the ceiling mount only flush mount, that's what they call those. So this one has a downsprout. So that's one of those things that actually is a lot easier for downsprout than a ceiling mount. So I would take the downsprout option, and that's really the high speed overall. And you can actually slow it down with the next speed. Just pull the chain. That's all you need to do. And from my experience, how long these last before it makes any noise or have an issue, it's about 4 years or so, 4 or 5 years. Some of them, this one in particular that we replaced, lasted about 7 years. So that's really impressive in my opinion. I mean, you keep up the styling as well too. So if you're looking for a ceiling fan, hopefully this helps you out a little bit. Really appreciate a thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye.